Let me show you how to solve this chemistry question on the board. The question says, determine the number of isomers in C6H14. The name of this compound is hexane, and this compound belongs to a group of hydrocarbon called alkanes. How do you know if it is an alkane? Look at the number of carbon atoms. If you multiply it by 2, if you multiply this 6 by 2, you get 12. Then if you now add 2 to that 12, you get 14. You understand? Another example of alkane is C5H12. If you multiply these carbon atoms by 2, you get 10. That 10 now, if you add 2 to it, you get 12. You understand? So this is the general formula for alkane, CnH2n plus 2. That's it. Now, if you ever come across this kind of question, this is how to solve it. If you're a jambite, that is, if you are somebody that is preparing for this year's jam, make sure you take this video seriously and watch this video till the end, because after showing you how to solve this one, I'm going to give you the one you are going to solve for me and drop your answer in the comment section. So pay attention to this video very well, because jam likes to ask this question most of the time. You understand? So first of all, before I show you how to find the number of isomers, I need to even tell you the meaning of isomers. Isomers are compounds that have the same molecular formula but with different structures. That's what we mean by isomers. You understand? Now, in an alkane, just like what you have here, if you're asked to find the number of isomers, in JAM they will give you the question, they will give you objective, they'll give you options. But I want to show you how to solve it and arrive at the answer so that you can pick the correct option that will be given to you. You understand? So if you want to find the number of isomers in an alkane, this is the formula you need. If the number of carbon atoms is from 4 to 7, use this formula. 2 raised to the power of n minus 4, then plus 1. If it is 8, you are going to replace this one with 2, and it becomes 2 raised to the power of n minus 4 plus 2. If it is 9, if the number of carbon atoms is 9, you use 2 raised to the power of n minus 4 plus 3. If it is 10, 2 raised to the power of n minus 4 plus 4. This is the formula you need to calculate the number of isomers in an alkane. Take note of that, very, very important. If you have your notebook, write it down and memorize this formula. All right, now, if you look at the question that is given to us, like I said before, when I'm done solving this one, I'll give you the one you are going to solve and drop your answer for me in the comment section. If you look at this question, we have 6 carbon atoms, which fall into the range of 4 to 7, right? So that means we are going to use this formula to find the number of isomers in this formula. This n here represents the number of carbon atoms. So if we are applying this formula, we are going to have, our formula is, here's the solution. Our formula is 2 raised to the power of n minus 4, then plus 1. So if we substitute in place of this n, we are going to put 6, because the n stands for the number of carbon atoms. So we have 2 raised to the power of, in place of this n, we put 6. Then minus 4 plus 1. We have 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 4, that will give us 2, then plus 1. 2 raised to the power of 2 means 2 times 2 into 2 places, which is 4. So this will give us 4, then plus 1. And 4 plus 1 will give us 5. So there are 5 isomers in this. You understand? If you understand this particular one, I'll give you 2 questions for you to solve for me and drop your answers in the comment section. The first one is this. Solve this one for me. C5H12. And also solve this one for me. I gave you formulas above 7 carbon atoms. That's why I want to intentionally give you this one to see if you actually wrote those formulas down. C8H18. Solve them and drop your answers in the comment section.